Alright, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So, we don't normally do this type of content right here, but there's a big debate going on about sandwiches, and I wanted to put my own opinion in the mix. So, I got two sandwiches here that we're going to review. It's the spicy chicken sandwich. If you hear some noise in the background, that's just Kai playing with his toy. Bill, if you can turn on the volume on your toy for me, please. And then there's Malani over there eating. The whole family is here. So, alright, so the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Let's start out with that one. The competition is between the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes and the spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-Fil-A. I used to say Chick-Fil-A, but Chick-Fil-A. So first we're going to look at what they look like when you get them, and then we're going to talk about how they taste and how they actually look presentation-wise, right? So check it. Let's start out with the Popeyes. The Popeyes one comes in this foil, inside foil bag, keep it nice and warm, and all that other stuff. I don't too much care about the artwork on the outside. We're getting to the sandwich, right? And it comes like this. This is what it looks like. You want to pick it up? Looks like this. That's it. So it's a chicken breast, seasoned spicy. And the Popeyes one has there's nothing in it. There's nothing in it, just the chicken breast. There's some sauce and some pickles. That's it. And I believe there's not even a slice of cheese on here. Just sauce and pickles, and that's it. Okay? Now the taste itself will speak for itself. So let's look at the Chick-Fil-A one, see how it comes. So big difference. As soon as you open, just the presentation alone, man, I would say Chick-Fil-A has Popeyes beat, but we're not really here for presentation, because you know sometimes a food doesn't really look that attractive, but the food tastes really, really good, way better than them fancy foods that you see. So this is how Chick-Fil-A's comes. It's in a bag versus Popeyes that it's in a box versus Popeyes that comes in a bag. Okay, when you open this Chick-Fil-A box, this is what you get for a sandwich. Now, I must say, it is well presented. If you notice, the lettuce is fresh. Let me get over here to the camera. Let me bring this up closer. So you get over here and you notice how fresh the lettuce is. Like the lettuce is crispy fresh. This is very rare when you get a sandwich, okay? Because McDonald's, all these other places, you get the sandwich and the lettuce went to sleep. It's dead, it's mushy. They've got the chicken breast in there, and there's a slice of cheese in there, which looks more like Swiss cheese or something. Pepper jack? Yes, pepper jack. Wifey ordered it, so she knows. And then there is the pickles. No tomatoes, no anything. It's just lettuce, pickles, and some kind of a sauce, and of course the cheese. Now, for presentation-wise, this looks way better right here. This looks like it's about to be tastier just by looks. In comparison, let me hold them side by side so you see how it actually looks. This is Popeyes. This is Chick-Fil-A or Chick-Fil-A. Alright? That's the spicy chicken sandwich. Now, I should have smoked the blunt before I did this, because then, you know, my appetite would be open and I could do this for people with the munchies. But anyhow, let's start off with the Popeyes one. So I'm going to take a bite out of the Popeyes one. See? Ooh, that sauce. Ooh, that sauce is spicy. I just had some of the sauce on my tongue without the sandwich, but wow. It's Eat Good TV, y'all. If you like Jamaican food, but you're struggling to cook it the right way, then here's a channel that gives it to you step by step. You are guaranteed to be able to cook Jamaican food like a real Jamaican from this channel called Eat Good TV. Go over to Eat Good TV, hit that subscribe button, and try cooking one of those meals. She is real calm about how she does her stuff, and she makes sure that you get all the ingredients right. Eat Good TV. Hit that subscribe button over there and tell them SouFLoTV sent you. I've cooked a couple of meals off of Eat Good TV. Not because I can't cook Jamaican food, because I am a Jamaican myself, but because sometimes I like to see something that I like cooked a different way. So nobody tell the lady that she can't cook, because that is not how you cook it. We all cook it different way. Just go to Eat Good TV, hit that subscribe button, and tell her I sent you. And you can definitely see it, that it's chicken breast. It's not, you know, some places use that chicken pieces and they put meat together like a patty. This is definitely a piece of chicken breast. Okay, so the Popeyes one is hitting. It's really hitting. Let's see what Chick-Fil-A has to say. All right, let me get that out my mouth first. And I'm gonna have to wash my mouth out, so give me a second. Let me clear my palate. Wash me with some water. Make sure there's no taste, no remnants from the Popeyes chicken sandwich. That chicken sandwich is really, really good. It's spicy, just the right spicy. It's not over spicy. The sauce that they have on there is really good. The sauce itself is spicy, kind of like a mayo ketchup mixed kind of sauce, but it's not mayo ketchup. It's their own brand of sauce. That's the Popeyes one. I noticed how the Popeyes one is actually bigger than the Chick-Fil-A one in comparison. It's a huger, bigger burger, right? But it doesn't have the lettuce and all that. And truthfully, I'm a person that likes lettuce, tomatoes, all that in my sandwich. I don't just like meat and bread. But my kids do. My kids don't eat lettuce, tomatoes, anything. I put everything in the house for them to have a sandwich with the way I would make a sandwich. And they actually just eat the meat and the bread. They don't even use the mayo or anything. Just meat and bread, and that's it. So some people like it like that, but not me. However, all in all, this spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes is hitting. If you're out and about and you slide through a drive-thru of a Popeyes and you get one of these, you probably won't be mad. And if you're really hungry, or if you got the munchies, you know, you leaving the club, you high, you're drunk, you're whatever you are, one of these would be definitely hitting if you're a meat eater. So I wash my mouth out. Okay, mouth feels brand new. Ready for the Chick-Fil-A or Chick-Fil-A sandwich. Here it goes. Chick-Fil-A sandwich looks very different. Like I said, it looks like you got a wig. This actually, Popeyes compared to Chick-Fil-A in looks. This looks like, Popeyes looks like the hood sandwich, and Chick-Fil-A looks like the upscale burger. Let's put it that way. Now, let's talk about how the Chick-Fil-A sandwich tastes. I'm going in. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Wow. Okay, so right off the bat, I can tell you that the Chick-Fil-A spicy chicken sandwich is more spicier than the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. The Chick-Fil-A chicken sandwich is a little bit more spicier. I don't know if it's because I like lettuce, tomatoes, or, you know, other things on my sandwich besides just a piece of meat and 2 pieces of bread. But I'm kind of resonating with this Chick-Fil-A thing more. So if you would ask me that I have to choose between the two, between Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich and Chick-Fil-A's spicy chicken sandwich, I would probably definitely choose I would choose Chick-Fil-A's chicken. It's a hard toss-up, guys. It's a hard toss-up. If I had the choice, I would choose, if they were right next to each other and I'm driving down the street, I'll probably turn into Chick-fil-A first. Yeah, I'll probably turn into Chick-fil-A first. However, if I'm out and about and ain't no Chick-fil-A's around and Popeyes is around, then I won't be mad. I'm heading into Popeyes for some of Popeyes as well. There's a big difference in sandwiches though. Big difference in the presentation, big difference in what's in the sandwich. You get a slice of cheese, you get some lettuce, you get pickles and all that in the Chick-fil-A one, and in the Popeyes one, it's just on a budget. It's like this. So, leave your comments in the comment section below. Go do your own test and try to see and tell me which one you prefer more and why. All right? We're going to leave this video right here. Thank you for tuning in. I know this is not our normal chain of content, but however, it's content for you to engage in, right? Catch you on the next video. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you again. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.
I'm at the hallway, I'm at the hallway, I'm at the hallway, I'm at the hallway. It all started in that empty hallway. Ask if I'm gon' ride, I say always. In that hallway, I'm in that hallway right now. Gotta get this shit the hard way. Empty hallways, posted by the light on them dark days. Ask me how long I'm gon' ride, I say always.
Alright everybody, so this video is called Hallways, and this artist is being dad managed. Yes, that's my son, and I'm also his manager until we find a manager that's worthy for him. You can find him on YouTube. Just type in T Viral or click the link in the description or the link that's pinned in the comment section. Go over to his YouTube channel. We have 20 projects on the way that will all be green screen videos of different songs. So stay tuned. We're about to turn up on his YouTube channel, get his views up. If this is not your genre of music, stay away from it. But if it is, go vibe out on T Viral's YouTube channel and tell him, yo, your dad sent me. Or just go feel the music. That's it. All right, back to our regular scheduled program at hand.
I'm gon' ride, I say always.
All right, listen, so you started a business, right? Whether it's a brick and mortar business or a business online. How is your business doing? Is it doing well? Do you need promotions? You cannot afford to start a business and not do promotions. Promotions is what it's all about. Some people have a big budget. That way they can spend a whole lot of money on these huge platforms. MSNBC, NBC, CNN, all those. Your budget might not be that. Those are $1 million budgets. At the same time, you can still reach a demographic of people that might be interested in your business. And how do you do that? You do that by piggybacking on one of these channels that the core audience of that channel is also the type of people you are trying to reach with your business. It works, okay? Hook up, give me a call, or shoot me an email and let's get your promo going right now. I don't care what business it is. I can send people to you. Now, before we go, let me say this. I am not guaranteeing you a certain amount of subscribers. You are the one that will have to, or I'm not guaranteeing you a certain amount of people that will come. You are the one that has to continue to push your business. Okay, with you promoting your business yourself and me promoting your business for you, there's no way you can't win. So give me a call right now or shoot me an email and let's work this out. I have a promotion special going on right now. Pretty much anybody can afford this, okay? It is more than half of what I normally do things for. Get in on a deal before it's gone. I've been running it for 2 weeks. The intention is to run it for 4 weeks. So let this one pass you. Call right now. Email right now. Let's get this moving. Promotions, promotions, promotions. That's what it's all about.